Hey everyone! If you are looking to make money from YouTube Shorts or TikTok, the health niche is a fantastic option. It's less crowded than other niches like motivational videos, and you don't need special skills to get started. With the help of AI, you can easily generate scripts and video ideas, simplifying content creation even if you lack experience in scripting or editing. Without further ado, let's dive in. First, let's name our YouTube channel. Ask ChatGPT for 10 ideas related to health. Once you have the name, create a logo using ideogram.ai, a free image creation tool. After choosing the channel name, ask ChatGPT to write a prompt to create the logo. Copy the text, paste it into ideogram, choose size 1.1, and click Generate. Once it is done, download the best logo. Now we need a script for our video. We will use ChatGPT again. I have asked it to write a script for YouTube Shorts on how to increase testosterone. It's time to generate the voiceover for our script. Just copy the script from ChatGPT and go to 11 Labs. Paste your script there and choose the voice that fits your video. Here are some settings for your voiceovers. After everything is set, click on the Generate Speech button. Once it is done, you can download your voiceover by clicking on the download icon. Half the work is done. The last step before compiling and editing the video is generating images and video clips. We will use two methods, artificial intelligence and the Pexels website, to blend AI creativity with realism. Return to ChatGPT and ask it to create prompts for generating images for each scene from the script. Then, go to the Leonardo AI website, known for generating incredibly realistic images. Register, go to the image generation section, choose the 9:16 size for short videos, then copy the prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. Click on the Generate button. Do the same process for all prompts. Next, go to the Pexels website to find video clips that complement your photos. For example, if the script includes a scene of someone meditating, search for related clips. Once you find what you want, just download it. Now it's time to edit the video. We will use CapCut because it's easy, simple, and free. Import all your files. Add photos and videos according to the voiceover. Trim the extra parts of your photos to match the voiceover. To give the photos some life, click on Animation, then Combo, and select the first option. Do the same for all the photos and videos. Add captions to keep the viewer engaged. Click on the text and then go to Auto Captions, Generate, and wait. Once the captions are generated, choose a template to use in all your videos. Finally, add background music that is not copyrighted and lower the volume to -23. Before we watch the final result, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Our goal is to reach 20,000 warriors before the end of this year. Now let me show you the final result.
Want to naturally boost your testosterone levels? Here are 5 quick tips. First, exercise regularly with strength training and high-intensity interval training. Second, eat a balanced diet with healthy fats like avocados, nuts, and olive oil, and plenty of protein. Third, get 9 hours of sleep per night, as lack of sleep can severely impact testosterone levels. Fourth, reduce stress with mindfulness, meditation, or yoga to lower cortisol levels. Finally, stay active and maintain a healthy weight, as excess body fat can lower testosterone. Consistency is key. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more health tips from Purely Healthy. See you next time.
A pretty good result, I think. You have created a beautiful, natural aesthetic video from scratch. You can use this method for any niche you like. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. See you next time.